most important thing you can do right now is sign up for MEXC. You got giving away $9,100. You must use the link in the description to get half price trading fees. Doing lives. We're doing lives. In the last 3 lives, we've made over 250%. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily. Jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, first, I want to show you this. It's been a long time coming. I've kind of had it on the back burner. What I'm really interested in, so we've got merch, cryptobitcoinchris merch.com. The key is this, and this is on my wall, and I want one. I've got 5,000 winning stories, success stories. And the key is this: winners are not people who never fall, but people who never quit. Just keep showing up every day, subscribe to the channel. I am, group or no group, I'm going to drag you to the top with me. Watch. The things that are about to happen when this market takes off and we get the bull run, you won't even believe how good of a trader you are compared to those diamond hand, the people that want to diamond hand everything, and they diamond handed, ADA from $3 all the way down. But I've been there, and I understand that it's easy to buy. Selling takes practice. But I've got all over multiple walls in my office stories that I'm very proud of. I just can't thank you enough for your support. But I started to create some merch. Bitcoin, what are you going to do? Are you going to take us to the next level? Right? So here's your high. You really, technically, yeah, this is a higher high, but you came up to this exact spot. Really looks more like a rising wedge, which they're supposed to break lower, but when Bitcoin is bullish, they break higher. And so that's where I say, put the percentages out the door, right? Don't worry about them right now. Here's what I want you to focus on. The move, right? This thing breaks 31,800 and holds it. It's going to create a significantly higher high, potentially run down here, retest this. This would give you better entry or an opportunity to add to your position. And then this thing just takes off 35,000, 40,000, 45,000, right? On a break to the downside, which you could build the case that whales want to shake out some retail traders and pull the price back down here. These are based on these order blocks. Do you see how this resistance is, right? And so you could build that case as well. So this is not, we're trying to predict this. This is plan A, flip and hold 31,800. Plan B, you lose this level. You're going to have some downside. There's going to be a bunch of buyers down here, but don't get caught in some kind of crazy pullback. This is the Bitcoin USDT chart on the 1 hour. And so you can see that possibly there's a triangle here. A lot of people are drawing this as a triangle, but one thing about patterns is more of an art than a science. That's where I fall back to resistance, right? You want to start flipping some of these resistance levels, and just again, based on this measured move here, that gives you the target of a breakout to the upside where you'd be going. Again, you have to flip and hold 31,800, right? On a break lower, you would open up shorts and or exit the market, right? This is the Bitcoin daily chart. And again, higher time frames are more important. Higher time frames always win. So you see, you have this previous high, and this is a slightly higher high. And Bitcoin's had a little bit of upside today, and it's been amazing for some of the small cap altcoins. The leverage trades have been great as well, but you can see that there's definitely room. You always assume that the price action continues in the pattern until it doesn't. It's got some amazing shout outs to give in the trading group. Like I said, the spot trading group, you go to cryptorev.net. This person, he made $2,800 from a couple of the setups, but we nailed all these 125%, 92%, 72%, 42%. And this is all spot. I'm excited for spot. Like I'm ready. Gem pick bangers. Let's go. You email cryptobitcoinchris at gmail.com. And again, for the next 8, maybe 12 hours, just because we've had so much demand, we can't even keep up with the number of emails coming in. We're looking at the gains that we've seen over the last 2 days in the leverage trading group. 167%, 159, 73, 72, 70, 62, 58, 55, 53. Next bear market, it's altcoin season upside down, right? And you just short and you make a killing. And that's what the whales do. That's what the institutions do. That's what the pros do. So this gives us a real easy way to nail this next move out of Bitcoin. You have this support level, this support level, this support level, this support level. And then Bitcoin lost it, back tested it, kiss of death, bearish retest. And you have a move from 30,000 to about 15,000. That was a 50% pullback right there, just based on this idea. Right now, you need, so plan A is break and flip this level. If plan A happens, let's see a break and hold, close the weekly above 31,800. And then you're looking for 35,000, 40,000, even $45,000 Bitcoin is in store. The most important thing is do not get caught in some type of crazy move to the downside where it breaks lower, where it breaks this trend line, because it's very well respected, right? You've got 1 bounce, 2 with the wick, 3. So understand that this would not be good to hold any coins. This would be a huge short opportunity and some major market downside. Coin dominance. And so the altcoins haven't seen, I mean, you've seen a lot of good altcoin performance, but nowhere near what we'll see. When this thing trends lower, the money flows into the altcoins. The way the market and the money flow work is Bitcoin brings money into the market, right? And then people find Ethereum, they find other altcoins, they start to fall in love, which don't do it. SEC's spot Bitcoin ETF. This is huge. It's been hard for Bitcoin to be approved for spot ETFs because the government wants to track where all the Bitcoin's coming from so that they can make sure market manipulation isn't happening. Crazy thing about the spot Bitcoin ETFs is the twins that own Gemini filed for a spot ETF for Bitcoin over 10 years ago. And now the SEC wants to be able to have traceability. They want to know that, okay, the Bitcoin is coming from here to prevent market manipulation. And immediately, all the names, all the big names, including BlackRock, all the big names immediately refiled for spot ETFs. And they just tweaked the fact that they were willing to work with the tracking system. And so the government wants to know everything that's going on. If that's what it takes, I'm telling you, these spot ETFs get approved, life-changing money. This thing opens up the doors. I mean, you got BlackRock in itself, $10 trillion under assets under management, 1% of that in Bitcoin, and see what happens to the price. Up only, right? So just be ready. At some point, the news will play out. Hard to trade the news. You can't bet on it. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.